Yo, it's me, man. Bulldogs here, yeah. Hectic in that, yeah. I'm the man, I'm the main man in that, yeah, bro. Alright, yeah. I was just cooking that. I was just making some food. I was just eating in that because we're having a house party. But a lot of people always tell me, Mo, you show us your crib and your cars and everything. We want to know what you have in your fridge. What do you eat? You know? What do you drink? Okay, well, no, I'm not going to let you come in and I'll show you what my fridge has. You know, and how the Bulldog lives from day to day. Alright. Type of stuff I drink. You know, blueberry cordial on that. Alright, Continental style. Alright, Coke. I really can't live without that. You know? My favourite, my number one drink in the world is mango nectar. If you have that, it's the best. You can have it with anything. Oh man, I can eat the spot. It's like there's a party in my mouth and none of you invited. Chocolate, alright. And you said, you know, white and black can't get along. Look at that, top deck. Number one chocolate, alright. Apple and raspberry cordial, alright. That's an expensive one as well. So as you can see, I'm not shopping at Aldi anymore, you know? I'm getting sponsored by Wogs and shit. Right. Alright, now, this is restricted, unauthorized. You can't walk through here unless you're special or you have the pass. Otherwise you will get shot. Okay? People have lost their arms. People have been locked up because of this. If you trespass or you cross the line, look at this. Meat, vegetables, food, ice cream, Viennetta, delicious. And at the same time, I used to always dream about having this. You know, I used to beg my mum. I used to always sit on TV, a commercial, how people used to eat it, and I used to dream. I used to tell my mum, please can we get it, and she used to give me a slap to the face, you know, backhand the bag, you know. But look, because now that I'm rich and I've got money, I'm getting it, alright? Wherever this parapet, look at that, the rainbow, yeah, pretty cheap, it's on special, alright? What about that? Cookies and cream, that's right, creamy classic cookies and cream. Whole tub, I eat it in one night. I just sit down and I just munch. Alright? None of this sharing and all that crap. Oh, give me some, I'll give you brother. Get the fuck out of it, alright? I eat the whole thing for myself. Okay? I swear. You know what? Might have on that. I know it might sound weird in that, but I'm part of living in Australia and being Australian is having, you know, eating pies. I don't care what anyone says, I love pies. I can't get enough of the pies. I don't know, it just does it for me, just get that salt from me. I don't know, you know? Kind of sick kebabs and all that crap. You know, so... What about this ice cream? It's called Cyclone. Look at that. With all different colours. Nowadays, it's like a rainbow one, you know? It's like sucker, you know? A bit of sucky, you know? Nice. That's very expensive, you know? Very, very expensive. So expensive that fucking you have to get a mortgage. for potatoes. Boys, if you're trying to get some breast, now try this breast fillet. Tastes better than the real thing, right? Better than the dishes. Okay? Breast fillet. Chicken flavour. Nice. What else you got, man? Well, that's it, man. Straight up. That's all I got. It's hard like a rock. I'll just put it in here. My machine and what's it? Let it melt. But anyways, people, thanks for hanging out with the Moe Bulldog and that. Thanks for checking out my fridge script and hopefully I'll see you soon. Peace out.